Whoa. Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little 3D print video talking about 3D printing and also a little update for you guys. Sorry I didn't post anything today. I just been really busy. Busy recording the GT and Sparking stock combo tournaments, and I got those done today. We're going to be talking about 3D printing bays. And that's because I'm getting a 3D printer. Actually, I bought one. Should be here Sunday, actually. The one the filament, the black filament, will be here tomorrow. And then the 3D printer and the other filament I bought will be here tomorrow, next 2 days. So stay tuned for an actual video on me showing you what I'm going to do with that. So I'm mainly getting these for Beyblade. Maybe Bakugan or tools or something like that. Wait, that's what I forgot. Okay, sorry about that, I'm back. But yeah, I'm going to show you the layers. I'm going to be working on this guy after this video. So yeah. Yeah, this was actually the first 3D print Beyblade I got. Actually, no, it would have been this one. This one actually turned out pretty good. But yeah, I'll be making my own Beyblades, so yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm really excited for that. Here's another Beyblade right here. I just got in with the... I'll show you the pretty popular video I did. The recent video. Now this is, basically doing Plastigen and also, not a lot of Plastic Generation Beyblades, but there's one I'm going to buy from a seller I bought a lot of these guys from. And yeah, this is Wild Fox 2. Fangir. Cyber Drasil, Cyber Trigger, my broken one. This is why I'm redoing this. So yeah. Before, yes, this was painted on. I painted this myself. All the green and stuff like that was painted by me. If you guys don't know, I did art for 4 years. 1 or 2 years, 2 years in, I did it junior high, then 2 years, and 2.5 years in, high school, so yeah. And here's, Cyber, Dronzer. I'm probably going to reprint some of these that are broken. So yeah, definitely this one because this piece broke when I first got it. And here's some of my popular ones I did. I'm probably going to make this a bit bigger. Like an anime. A little bit wider and a little bit taller. So yeah, Tri-Horn. It's freaking OP as hell. And you guys love this thing to death. I do too. Now here's a 3D print. I'm going to be making my own, my own custom Plastigen Bay and full line. So yeah, this is Fainir or Fire or whatever her name is, a V. So yeah. Finally, the most recent 3D print I got cost me the most money. I'll tell you that after. It's Rose Thorn. This piece alone cost me the whole full new Beyblade. That is this guy right here. This full Beyblade cost me $120. And this was a $120 plus custom. I did. I got this one from actually, let's see how many I got from him. Like these guys got from him. These two and this from and Rocket Dash Training. And guys, there's some of these guys from eBay seller. Wow. Sorry, my cat's in heat. From forgot the seller, but yeah. And you're probably gonna be watching this, but Zeke, I'm probably gonna butcher your name, but yeah, I got this from his Shapeways thing, and I have a few more coming in, like 5 more coming in. So stay tuned for customs on those. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for. Oh god, sorry. I'm tired. It's even though it's 8:25 right now, this will be going up right after I upload this. So this is seriously going up right then and there. No edits, nothing. But yeah. Hope you guys like this overview and the update for you guys on my 3D printed stuff. I'll be doing a lot more. Definitely a lot more because I'm getting my own 3D printer. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.